Hey guys, I'm back doing another video, doing another chicken update, and we have 6 chickens out of 16, and I'll just do a little update. Here they are. So you have your food, your water, your heat lamp, your brooder. You guys, I don't know if you guys. Hey, don't peck my camera. Yeah, so guys, these are my chickens. This is Halo right there. Really cuddly, just pecked my lip, so it kind of hurt, but yeah. Goodbye.